Hi, first grade. I hope you had a great Easter, and I hope that you have watched some of my videos from this week and have a lot of fun. The weather is super nice. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, this whole week, you're going to have great weather, so get outside. I want to talk to you a little bit about your food choices. We've talked about how you can eat fresh food as opposed to packaged foods, but I know that you probably got a lot of Easter candy, which is great. And as you can see here on my table, I have a lot of sweets. I've got a box of cookies, I've got Easter candy, and look, we even made Easter cupcakes. All of this is so good. It tastes so good. But it's something that you can have once or twice a day. So after lunch, after you eat a healthy lunch, or for snack, you can grab a cookie. After dinner, after a healthy dinner, you may be able to get a piece of candy. What I don't want you to do is sit around all day and eat your Easter candy. So let's talk about some different choices that you can make. I know we've talked about coloring your plate. I know that we've talked about that in our health classes, our wellness classes. So let's look at what that looks like. Right here I have a plate of different colored foods. Strawberries, orange, this is a squash, green beans, and blueberries. So these are really the choices that you need to make. Am I saying you can't have Easter candy or a cupcake? Not at all. I want you to enjoy that. But what you put in your body is really important. So you've got to be able to make some healthy choices. And when you go into the refrigerator, you go into the kitchen, you really want something sweet, but you've already had your cookie, here's an option. Okay, we call this a berry bowl. And in it we have raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. And this is sweet. What I like to do to make it even better is to put maybe whipped cream on here. Whipped cream, you think, oh, that's not a good choice. But actually it does not have a lot of sugar, and it tastes good on fruit. So make a good choice. Enjoy your Easter candy, but think about what you're putting into your body and try to make it as healthy as possible. All right, you guys have a great week. I miss you. Make good choices. Stay strong.